If you talk to any police officer, they'll tell you that they would rather arrest somebody who is a little bit high than somebody who's drunk. Because the people who are drunk, hey, they might kill you. The people that are high, they're going to give you a hug.
We've gone through a lot of regulation changes and things are changing in the cannabis space, but what we've experienced are more individuals, especially our seniors, coming to us for different types of disorder and wanting to know more about cannabinoid therapy and the work that we do. We've been blessed to have Dr. David Bearman as our Director of Medicine, who has an extensive history in cannabis as medicine, as well as the history of cannabis.
This is a 500-page book that frames cannabis in the history of the use of psychoactive drugs for spirituality, for healing, for commerce, and drug policy we have used to marginalize discriminated against people ever since Pope Innocent VI declared that cannabis was a tool of the devil in the 15th century. And he did that because it helped relieve the pain of childbirth from women, and we know that they have that pain because of Eve's sin. The list goes on and on about the way in which we in this country, as well as around the world, have used drug policy to marginalize people. And then the last third of this book really talks about cannabis in contemporary times and its use as a medicine, and the last chapter talks about if we were really serious about doing something about substance abuse, what we would do. This is a new book that's going to be coming out October 2018 that is sort of designed for nurses and doctors, and I hope it'll be used as a textbook, and it covers a lot of the science related to cannabis, cannabinoids, and the endocannabinoid system. It's got a lot of science in it, but most of it is readable and understandable. The American Academy of Cannabinoid Medicine is there to certify those cannabinoid medicine specialists who are practicing good quality medicine. We want to marginalize those doctors like the doc in Venice Beach who has the gal in the bikini out in front saying evaluation is $39.95. Cannabis is a real medicine. It deserves more respect.
Yes,
absolutely.
If you read the doctor's book, he gave me a copy last year. It's one of the most definitive sources on history. I didn't know cannabis had people vilifying it. I thought that started with Reefer Madness in the 30s. I didn't know it went all the way back. And
well, now for any of the viewers that want to buy your book, is it available online for purchase?
You can get it on Amazon, or you can get it on my website, davidbearmanmd.com, and the publisher of this is Blue Point Press. You can get it on their website. And I really appreciate you giving me the opportunity to bring these to the attention of your audience.